Hey guys, Tim here. First and foremost, Happy New Year. Hope you've all had a good break. All of us here are back on deck and keen to help you work through your goals for the year. And to help you with that, the first blog of the year is actually all about habits. And I'm going to take you through a summary of a few of the main points, but if you want more information, click on the blog below. Now, one of the first things you want to make sure of is that you know the real reason why you're trying to make a change. So it could be for you want to do more exercise. But what does that mean to you? What does it mean? Does it mean you want to go and play more with the kids? Does it mean you want to ride the bike on the weekend? How is that going to change what you do and in your life as a whole? The second thing we'd like to try and target is to start off nice and small. So, want to make sure you do small little chunks. So whether it's you're waking up early in the morning, you might do 10 minutes of walking or 10 minutes of meditation, whatever your goal is, to try and start to build a few little achievable goals. By doing that, you build momentum, you help yourself to keep building towards the bigger things you're working on. One of the third things we like to try and target is setting up systems. So obviously, willpower is a challenging thing. So as we get busy in our lives, as you're doing more and more, it can get harder to find the strength to do some of these things, which is where systems can be very helpful. You might set up a diary, which helps you keep track of the things you're doing, or maybe set reminders so you can get up from your desk every hour or go for a walk each evening. One of the last things we want to make sure we do though is to celebrate our little successes along the way. So again, we're working towards sometimes bigger aspirations, bigger things, but by celebrating the little things along the way can make it much more enjoyable. If you want to learn more about habits and how you can really change things this year, check out the blog. We've got a lot more information on there, but in the meantime, go forward and work on some of these little things. Hope to see you during the year.